Mine is reading a book, and the number of pages read to the number of pages unread is 1:4. So if he reads another 33 pages, the number of pages read will be 80% of the number of pages unread. So how many pages does the book have? Firstly, let's look at this percentage. 80% is equivalent to 4/5. Alright, 4/5 of fractions. Alright. So now, let's read the question once again. Mike is reading a book. The number of pages read to the number of pages unread is 1:4. So we can draw the model as such. So total is equal to 5 units and read 1 unit as compared to unread 4 units. That's what the ratio is telling us about. Okay, and then we are told that if he reads another 33 pages, the number of pages read will be 4/5. Alright, instead of 80%, now cover the 4/5 of the number of pages unread. Over here, it means the denominator 5 means the number of pages not read. Okay, and then 4 is the number of pages read. That means we now look at 5 parts being the unread and 4 parts being read. Okay, so we draw it as such. Okay, notice that all the 4 parts or 5 parts add up together must be equal to the 5 units because we are looking at the same book. Alright, the number of pages is the same. Alright, so we draw the length of parts and units to be equal. So over here, 4 parts read, 5 parts unread, according to the percentage given us. Alright, and this is happened because that he read another 33 pages. Okay, he read another 33 pages from at first. Alright, so now looking at the model on top and the bottom. On top we have 5 units, bottom we have 9 parts. So LCM of 5 and 9 is 45. Alright, that means to say we're going to cut each unit into 9 blocks and each part into 5 blocks so that we can equalize the units and parts into blocks. Alright, so instead of cutting the model and it looks messy sometimes, if you want, you can just write down the equivalent number of blocks beside the units and the parts. But you got to be very careful, because if you calculate this part wrongly by careless mistake, then you will get the whole sum wrong. Alright, so sometimes cutting the model works better. So it's up to you now. So now if for this case, if I don't cut, alright, over here we have 5 units. Each unit is equal to 9 blocks, so we convert it, we put 45 blocks. And each part is equal to 5 blocks, so 5 parts is equal to 25 blocks. Alright, and here 1 unit is equal to 9 blocks again. Okay, I leave this part blank because otherwise it looks too messy. Then comparing the model, the top and the bottom. On top we have 45 blocks, at bottom we have 9 plus 25, which is equal to 34 blocks plus 33 pages. So straight away we know that 11 blocks, taking the top subtract the bottom, 11 blocks is equal to 33 pages. Alright, so taking 33 divided by 11, we get 3. That means 1 block is representing 3 pages of the book. Okay, and the question asks, how many pages does the book have? We know that the book has altogether 45 blocks. So we take 3 pages multiplied by 45, we get 135 pages. So the answer is, the total number of pages of the book is 135. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.